Hello and welcome back. Today I was talking to somebody and they'd said that they hadn't seen me pick any padlocks in a while. So I got me a Fortress. It is a 50 millimeter lock. See if I can get that to focus. It says 50 millimeter right on top there. It does have a key. And the key works smoothly. So pretty good bitting on this key too, actually. If you'll notice, it's got a pretty high pin at the end there, hiding behind the two low ones. So not too bad at bitting on this little Fortress. But either way, let's see if we can get into it today. Put it in the vise and see what we got here. Make sure it's not binding up on the vise on me. No, it's okay. I'll zoom in for you guys. I think I'm going to go top the keyway. And I'm going to use a standard hook. So, like that. All right, now I'm just going to search for a binder. I didn't get anything on that pass. There's two. Okay, I got a click out of him. Click out of one. Small click out of what felt like three, maybe. Binder, but I don't know if I'm on him or not. There we go. Yep. Oh, okay. Well, he was open all the same. So there it is. I'll zoom out. Not too bad. Nice little 50 millimeter padlock, but not too hard to get into either. So probably good for locking up a gym locker or something, but I don't think I'd put anything expensive behind it. But either way, there's a padlock for you. Thank you for watching, and don't break the law.